Hi, I'm Aaron from Lazer, and it gives me great pleasure to introduce our new Linear-24 Elite lamp. It's a high-powered lamp with 48 high-power LEDs. It's a road legal lamp. It measures 682 millimeters or 27 inches with a height of 40 millimeters. As you can see, we've mounted the lamp into the top of the full badge on our Ford Ranger Raptor here. This is a grille kit. At the moment it is a prototype, but will be available soon. The Linear-24 Elite boasts a double E mark, meaning that it is an approved high beam driving light across Europe. The Linear-24 Elite boasts 18,000 raw lumen at 5,000 Kelvin colour temperature with a perfect even light distribution. There's usable light at comfortably over 1 kilometre and with a 64-degree left-right spread of light. Okay, so that's our Linear-24 Elite. I hope you guys are excited about it as much as we are. For more information, don't forget to check out our website or contact your local dealer.